Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
So, you're a big Fortnite fan, but maybe you prefer the precision and comfort of your PlayStation 4 controller? Well, you're in luck. It's absolutely possible to use it on your PC, and the process is still quite straightforward, even here in 2025. This guide will show you how to get that familiar feel back into your gameplay. It's a game changer for many players. For the simplest setup, just grab a standard micro USB cable. Connect the smaller end to your PlayStation 4 controller, and then plug the larger end directly into an available USB port on your computer. Your PC usually detects it almost instantly, often installing basic drivers in the background. This method is incredibly reliable and requires almost no fuss. Want to go wireless? You'll need a PC with built-in Bluetooth or an affordable USB Bluetooth adapter. First, put your PlayStation 4 controller into pairing mode. Just hold down the small PS button and the share button simultaneously until the light bar flashes. Then, open your PC's Bluetooth settings, find Wireless Controller, and click to pair. It's a truly freeing way to play. While your PC might recognize the controller, for Fortnite, we highly recommend DS4 Windows. This fantastic, free program makes your PlayStation 4 controller act like an Xbox controller, which Fortnite fully supports. It's easy to download and install, and it unlocks all the features, like vibration and touchpad use, for a much richer gaming experience. Just search for DS4 Windows online to get started. Once everything's connected and DS4 Windows is running, launch Fortnite. Head into the game settings and confirm that controller is selected as your input device. You can then customize all your button layouts to perfectly suit your playstyle. If you ever run into a hiccup, try restarting DS4 Windows or simply unplugging and replugging your controller. You'll be building and battling with your PlayStation 4 controller in no time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.